This video is a step-by-step process of evaluating the sum and the difference of the identities. Evaluating the value of sin 105 degrees using sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Step 1. Find the value of alpha and beta of sin 105 degrees. Alpha 60 degrees, beta 45 degrees. Step 2. Substitute the value of alpha and beta to the formula. Sin 105 degrees is equal to sin 60 cos 45 plus cos 60 sin 45. Step 3. Find the value of sine and cosine. Refer to the unit circle. Sin 60 is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2. Cos of 45 is equal to square root of 2 divided by 2. Cosine of 60 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Sine of 45 is equal to square root of 2 divided by 2. Step 4. Substitute the value of sine and cosine to the formula. Sine 105 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2 plus 1 half times square root of 2 divided by 2. And the answer is square root of 6 plus 2 over 4. Moving on, evaluate the value of cosine 105 degrees using cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Step 1. Find the value of alpha and beta for the cosine 105 degrees. Alpha 60 degrees, beta 45 degrees. Step 2. Substitute the value of alpha and beta to the formula. Cosine 105 degrees is equal to cosine 60 cosine 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Step 3. Find the value of sine and cosine. Refer to the unit circle. Cosine of 60, 1 half. Cosine of 45, square root of 2 over 2. Sine of 60, square root of 3 over 2. Sine of 45, square root of 2 over 2. Step 4. Substitute the value of sine and cosine to the formula and solve. Cosine of 105 degrees is equal to 1 half times square root of 2 over 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2. And the answer is square root of 2 minus 6 over 4. Next, evaluate the value of tan 105 degrees using tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha plus tan beta. Step 1. Find the value of alpha and beta of tan 105 degrees. Tan 105 degrees, alpha is equal to 60 degrees and beta 45 degrees. Step 2. Substitute the value of alpha and beta to the formula. Tan 105 degrees is equal to tan 60 plus tan 45 over 1 minus tan 60 plus tan 45. Step 3. Find the value of tan. Refer to the unit circle. tan 60 is equal to square root of 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Step 4. Substitute the value of tan to the formula and solve. Tan 105 degrees is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 1 minus square root of 3 plus 1. And the answer is 5 plus 3 square root of 3 or 10.196. Moving on to the proving. The given is sine alpha minus beta over cos alpha over cos beta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta. Here is the step-by-step proving that the left side of the given is equal to the right side of the given. First, we must evaluate what is given. Remember that sine alpha minus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. Step 1. Substitute the equivalent of sine alpha minus beta to the given for easier proving. Now, the given is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta is over cos alpha cos beta, that is equal to tan alpha tan beta. Step 2. Separate the side of the given. It is optional. Step 3. Cancel what you can cancel. Also optional. You can see in this chart that tan alpha is equal to tan beta. Remember that tangent is equal to sine divided by cosine.